session in division of polynomials, we will be using another method in dividing polynomials aside from the long method that I mentioned a while ago in topic number 6. Okay, so but before that, let us have synthetic division. So, synthetic division can be performed in dividing a polynomial in x by a divisor of the form x minus c, where c is a non-zero rational number. So, this process makes use of numerical coefficient only. Okay, so let's have example number 1. So, if you are going to divide negative 2x plus 3x squared minus 4 divided by the quantity of x minus 3. Okay? So, let us use synthetic division this time. So, let us follow the step. So, what is our step 1? So, our step 1, write the numerical coefficient of the terms of the dividend arranged according to the descending power of the variable x. So, you are going to arrange. So, we have 3x squared. Since it is the variable which has the highest exponent, then followed by negative 2x, then negative 4. Okay? So, that would be the arrangement. So, write down their numerical coefficient. So, we have 3, negative 2, and we have negative 4. Okay, then we have step 2. So, our step 2, find c from the divisor. That is x minus 3 is equal to x minus c. Okay, so since our divisor is x minus 3, so let us get the value of c this time. So how will you get the value of c? Okay, by adding x to negative x to both sides. So we have x plus negative x, then minus 3 is equal to x plus negative x minus c. So you can cancel this one. So the remaining is negative 3 is equal to, so cancel also this one, that is equivalent now to 0. So the remaining is negative c. Since c is negative, you divide both sides by negative 1 to make it positive. So therefore, c becomes positive 3. Okay? So c is what we call the test 0. Okay? So, you're going to write the test 0 usually at the left side. Okay, then what is the next step? Step 3. Carry down the first number. So, our first number is 3. Okay, you write the fractional bar. So, bring down 3. And then what's next? Multiply 3 to the test 0, which is positive 3, and add to the second column. So, 3 times 3, that is positive 9. Then, what is negative 2 plus 9? That is 7. Okay, next in our step 4, multiply now 7 to the test 0, which is 3. So that you will get the next one. So, 7 times 3, that is 21. Okay, the negative 4 plus 21, that is 17. Okay, so if you have still other column, so you just repeat the step for the next to get the next column. Okay, so that will be our example number 1. So 17 is our remainder this time. Okay, so the third row, so this is our third row that we obtain represents the numerical coefficient of the terms of the quotient. So therefore, we can write again the final answer into dividend over divisor is equal to quotient, then plus remainder over the divisor. Okay? Since 17 is our remainder, so the next one is the constant. Okay? Then 3 is the numerical coefficient of x. So the dividend is 3x squared minus 2x minus 4 over the divisor x minus 3. So that is equal to our quotient. So we have 3x plus 7 plus our remainder is 17 over the divisor is x minus 3. Okay? So this will be the final answer. Okay, next for our example number 2. Okay, so on number 2, we have the quantity of 2x raised to the 4th power plus 3x cubed minus 4x minus 16 divided by x plus 2. Okay, so going back to our steps while ago, so you get first the numerical coefficient of all the terms. So remember, it should be according to the descending power of the variable x. So let us see if they are in the descending power. So we have 2x raised to 4 plus 3x cubed minus 4x squared minus 16. So what is missing in the given? So we do not have x squared. Okay? Let us now write the coefficient of each of the terms. So the coefficient of 2x raised to 4 is 2. The coefficient of 3x cubed is 3. Negative 4x is negative 4. However, we do not have x squared, so we have to insert 0. Then we have negative 4, negative 16. Okay? Let us get the test 0. So let us write at the left side. Since we have x plus 2, how do we get c? So we have x plus 2 is equal to x minus c. Therefore, c is equal to negative 2. Okay, so you will write here negative 2. Okay, so bring down the first number, which is 2. Then you multiply to negative 2. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Then 3 plus negative 4, that is negative 1. Then you multiply again to the test 0, which is negative 2. Since you are multiplying the same sign, it will be positive. So negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. Okay, then we have 0 plus 2, that is positive 2. Then 2, you multiply to negative 2, you are multiplying different sign. So therefore, that will be negative 4. Okay, what is negative 4 plus negative 4? That is negative 8. Then you multiply again negative 8 to the test 0, which is negative 2. So that will be positive 16. Okay, so negative 16 plus 16 is 0. So meaning to say the remainder is 0. So if the remainder is 0, the divisor is one of the factor of the dividend. Okay, so remember the third row. So this is our third row. It represents the numerical coefficient of the terms of the quotient. Okay, so since 0 is our remainder, Therefore, negative 8 is our constant. Then 2, coefficient of x. Negative 1, coefficient of x squared. Then 2 is the coefficient of x cubed. So let us write again in the form dividend over the divisor is equal to quotient plus remainder over the divisor. So our dividend is 2x raised to 4 plus 3x cubed minus 4x minus 16. Okay, divided by x plus 2. So that is equal to our quotient. So what is our quotient? So this will be the constant x squared, x cubed. So we have 2x cubed, okay, minus negative x squared. Then we have positive 2x minus 8. Okay? Since the remainder is 0, we don't have to write any more remainder over the divisor. So this will be the final answer. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day.